disconnected.
Hey guys, welcome to Woodsman Adventures. Today I got a neat camera here. It's called EsiCam, and this thing's really good. It connects to your iPhone or Android phone. This thing is great for a backup camera, for putting on the back of like your tailgate, so you can back up and hook up to your RV or your travel trailer, I'm sorry, or whatever utility trailer you're using. Now, it can be hooked up through your Wi-Fi, your router, and use a security camera. This thing can be hooked directly from Wi-Fi. You connect Wi-Fi to this to your phone, so you can use it in your vehicle wherever you're at, and to use it for the backup cam. It also has a 7-hour battery. It is great for home surveillance because it also has a SD card, and it will record on the SD card. You can set it up. Has different kinds of mounts that I got with it. They're optional accessories, but so this would be super for backing up my truck or my Jeep, either one, hooking up the camper. That's my main intention for it. And then when I'm not using it for that, I can use it for surveillance. It'd be great for surveillance at RV parks or campgrounds while we're off gone fishing. We can have this thing set up either in the camper and recording in case anybody's messing around the campground, so it'd be super for that. It's also waterproof, so it can be set outside. It has different mounts to mount it on a tripod, or you can mount it on a tree. There's also another mount I'll show you that you can stick in the ground. It has a GoPro compatible mounts and stuff for it, so we'll go ahead and check it out, take it out of the box, and show you what's in the box. Alright, right here we'll see what's in the box. Of course, it comes with a quick guide, which makes it easy just to hook it up to the Wi-Fi to your phone, and then it comes with a more in-depth manual that shows you how to use everything. It comes with of course, a 110 wall charger and a USB cord where you can charge it, power it up. You can also use this thing on your cigarette lighter in your vehicle to charge it up too. So that's pretty handy. It comes with some mounting screws in case you decide to actually mount it with screws to hold it on something. But this also has a really strong magnetic base, so you can click it on your tailgate or whatever, something steel to mount it to. It's got a nice antenna, so it'll work for a real good range. Right here's where you take the cover off, and then you put your charging cable right on here. Right here we have the power switch. Right here we have either flashlight, or you can reset it if you decide to change the settings later. You can hold this button down to reset it. Power it up right here, and you can see, of course, this green light comes on. If you push this flashlight, those two lights come on. You can use it as a flashlight at night, but it also has all these infrared LEDs, so it works good for night vision too, not just in daylight. So that's a really cool feature. We'll go ahead and actually leave it on. Okay. Got it on and working here. Hopefully you can see my phone. So what I'm going to do is look for a Wi-Fi connection, and of course it shows my Wi-Fi is here. It should come up with this one pretty soon. As soon as it gets all booted up here. Do another search. Here we go. Okay, you can see what it does. It comes up with this IP cam, and that is it. So to connect the phone to it, I want to connect to the camera, which is this IP cam one here. My phone will be connected Wi-Fi directly to the camera. There we go. Now we're connected. And now one thing you want to do is go online and download the app for it, which is this one here. You can see it says EsiCam. You can go on the Apple App Store or the Android App Store, and you can download that. Once you connect to it, and you're connected to the Wi-Fi of the camera, you should be able to go on here into the app, click Add New Camera. We'll click Search in LAN here, and there, right there, it comes up and shows that camera, which is the one I want to connect to. there it shows that you can add a password. Just got a username, but you can add a password and stuff. Right now I'm not going to, but there's a lot of different other features I'll show you in another video. This is just my initial video showing you the camera, but later on we'll get into that on another video. Click save, and now in my list of cameras it shows that camera right there. And if I click on that, it should open it up, and it shows the video. I can click on full screen here, and now it shows the video that's on the camera. Let me pick the camera up. It's actually really extremely good video. This time of day is not a really good time of day for excellent video, but let me move it around here and show you the camper. You can see it on there. Screen going off. But really good video. Show it up here on the truck. How good that video is. Looks really good. So really clear, and with the big iPhone I have, you know, it's a good big screen, so works really good. Listen, we need to take it down now and hook it up to a trailer and try backing up and see how good it works for hitching up the trailer. Alright, so I'm still connected. Actually, I can still see the video on my phone. Good and clear, which will make it nice for with the magnet mount. I can actually sit it right here about where this handle is. I think it'd be a good spot. Man, it's pretty impressive how good that looks. And I do absolutely love the wide angle that it is. Okay, on the app here, I turn it sideways, you can see it. Has the date and time set up on there. You can see here, I can choose to take a picture like that, to take a photo. I can put this on record. I can turn off and on the microphone and the speaker. And of course, I got it on record right now, so I'm recording this. And I can put it on full screen right there, which is excellent picture. I want to turn this thing down right now to where the camera is aiming on the ball so I can see it when I back up. And I can just hold this and look at it while I turn it down here. I want it still on the ball, but I also want it where I can see out a little ways, a little bit, so I can see as I'm coming back where it's how to line it up. So right there I should be able to see the ball good, yet see a little bit out behind me. Okay, one thing to show you on the app after I got this set here is that I want to, you can see here I can change the settings, so I can click it on HD or standard. It's on HD right now. You can click it to standard. Also on this here, I want to actually mirror it because to make the orientation right, so when I back up, I'll be going, when I go left, it will show the same direction on my camera. So I click mirror, and that will set the thing. You can also flip it too. If it was upside down, you can switch the picture where it's not upside down. You can change the brightness and the contrast, the saturation, so you can do all those settings too. So now I should be set. This is the right side of the vehicle, and it's showing the right side on the video. So we should be set now. Let me get back on this. Okay, should be able to set this on record again, and I want to put this on full screen so I can see it when I'm in the truck real good. And then I'll get in there and we'll try backing it up, see what it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to take this, get in the truck. What would be nice is if you also have a something to mount your camera or your phone on your dash, a dash mount to put your phone on. I don't have, so I'll have to hold it, but I should be able to show you this and then show you the video, how good it turns out, so you can actually see me backing up. We'll see how it turns out. It worked like a champ. That worked absolutely perfect. I'm right over the ball. Just that easy. Back up, of course I was far to the right, so I had to just cut it back, but I could see it perfect. Plenty of distance before I got to it and backed it up straight over the ball. You can't get better than that. That was my first try, so a few times of practice will be great. It'd be nice not to have to worry about the wife trying to direct me back or bashing in my license plate, and because I can't tell the distance, how far I am back, especially on a Jeep, which is, to me, is harder than this to back up. But this is going to be so nice, especially on the camper. We go traveling this summer. That is going to be so handy to have this thing carried with me to do this. So I really like it. Let's go ahead and close this video. I'll be making other videos about this EsiCam. Put the model number and everything on here. I'll put a link to EsiCam below where you can check them out. And super camera for the deal. Security camera. It's all in one. You don't have to have but one this way. You can use your backup cam, and usually if you had just a backup cam, well, that's all it's good for, and it lays around the rest of the time. Well, this thing here, it's a backup cam. You can have it for security in your travel trailer, in your house. You can for your campground, you're at the RV parks or wherever you're at, and use it for security for recording that. So with the SD card in it, and this thing would be really fantastic. So let me go ahead and finish the video up like this, and thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. I'll have a bunch more videos on this thing because I want to show you the other features and using it as a security cam, and I'll show you all the different mounts and stuff that I have for it too, so in the next video. But thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Please click the thumbs up on the video. Check out the links below to EsiCam, and catch you on the next video. Right on.